Hello, it's Ray. I've been working on a program trying to get this Strat straightened around so I can try to get some Stevie Ray Vaughan Hendrix style tone out of it on my line 6 spider valve. To find out if it does more than just that heavy metal, which I love Stevie Ray and Jimmy. To me, there's no one ever close. That's my opinion, but you know, you can take that to the bank as well as you can your own check, but that's just mine. So, what do you think of my tone? Let me know what you think, and you know, I'll change it and tell me what you think it needs, because I need some help here. Okay, the classic Voodoo Child riff, and now I'm going to play some little riffs in through here, throw some other Hendrix riffs through, some Vaughan riffs, you know, and tell me what you think. It's too much wah, not enough wah, wah wah wah. There's that humor, or lack of. Yeah.